it's your girl TreasureElise and I am back with another hair review. So today guys, I will be reviewing the Sensationnel Empress Lace Front Wig. Oh my god, that's such a freaking tongue twister. This wig that I have on today is called Jocelyn and I have her in the 1B color, which is going to be your natural brown, natural black color. Like I said before, this is from the Sensationnel Empress line. Now, initial review, jumping straight in, once I pulled her, well, okay, I actually went to the beauty supply store looking at another wig and I seen this wig on a mannequin and I was like, you know, can I see this wig? Once I felt her, like once I ran my fingers through the hair, I was like, okay, yeah, this is the wig I'm getting. Bump the other wig I actually came in here for. This wig is absolutely amazing so far. It has that really silky smooth, very light texture. Now it's supposed to mimic yaki, but this hair is super silky and is very lightweight. So a little bit about the specs of this hair. Now I did look online. I always like to look online and compare those prices with the beauty supply store prices. Of course, if you get your wigs from the beauty supply store, you will notice that it will be a little bit pay difference. Online it ranges from $26.99. I got this wig, I think it was $39.99 with 20% off. For some reason, the same beauty supply store that I keep going to, which is Beauty Exchange in Orlando, Florida, is always having a 20% discount off. So every single time I get a brand new wig, no matter what brand it is, I always have 20% off on that wig. I don't know why, but I'm not gonna complain because I won't have to pay full price for the wigs in general. So as you can tell, this wig is not super curly, but it does have some form of curl into it. I would say that this hair kind of mimics like a body wave. If you guys did have any type of virgin hair, body wave, if this was a full wig itself, this will be a body wave wig. I can literally run my fingers through this hair, and this is exactly how it was on the actual mannequin. It has that very light texture body wave curl. It's not too tight, but it's also not too loose. For those of you that kind of will like that in between, this will be the perfect wig for you guys. Also, for me, I'm a girl that likes my 13x6 closures. I like my frontals. I like my 4x4 closures. Only thing about this wig is that this is the one and only parting space that you will receive with this wig. But they do specify on the actual box and on the actual stock card that it has 3 different partings. Basically, they want you to slide your wig. I'm sorry guys, that's just funny to me. They want you to slide your wig to the side, that way you can have that side part, or you can have that middle part, or I guess the third side will be left, right, and middle. So for those of you that only like your left hand side parts, you just basically have to twist your wig to the left hand side. If you like your wig to the right hand side, you basically have to twist it. I really wasn't feeling that vibe when I did twist it to the left and right. I didn't like the way it looked at all, so I was like, hey, I'm just gonna go with my middle part and just stick with that because it looks the most natural. Now on the stock card, she looks bomb with her left and right, you know, parting space, but I don't feel like it kind of suits me with this particular wig. So I'm gonna add in a clip here, but the construction of this wig is going to be your very basic construction of any type of lace front wigs that you buy from the beauty supply stores or online. It's gonna come with those 2 combs like on the side tabs and then that 1 nape cone in the back. This wig actually does come with adjustable straps, which I love because for my big head friendly woman, if you need to take off those straps, you have the ability to do that. And for my smaller head woman, if you need to make it just a little bit tighter, you do have the adjustable straps in both nape areas to make it tight as possible. So as I run my fingers through this hair, I am receiving just a little bit of strands. Even when I initially put this wig on, just to kind of finger comb the waves out initially, I was experiencing just a little bit of shedding. It wasn't super drastic to the point where I was just like, what the heck is going on? But obviously once you go ahead and cut that lace off in the front, you will experience a little bit of shedding. And just as I feel like the hair hasn't been touched since it's factory, so by the time you start brushing hair, you know, you will experience a little bit of shedding. So I am approximately 5'6". I'm actually sitting in a chair right now. But this hair does come a little bit towards the middle of my boob area. So this hair is not too long to the point where it's inappropriate for like a business setting, but it's not too short to the people that do like your longer hair. So for me, I'm a flight attendant, so I feel like I can wear this hair to work and still be in compliance with my policies, you know, for my job. So I would guess it's maybe 20 to 22 inches. Okay, I'm lying, guys. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm lying. 20 to 24 inches, because it just really depends on if you brush those curls out. If you don't brush those curls out, obviously they will be a little bit more tight, but if you do brush them out, they are gonna fall. And I feel like it'll fall between 20 and 22 inches, something like that. Alright guys, so like I said before, this wig can actually be applied with heat. It says it's safe up to 350 degrees, up to 400. Now this unit does come with some crazy amazing colors. We have lavender, green, red, yellow, blonde, rose petal. So guys, these are the colors that this unit does come in. It comes in that lavender, the yellow, like a rose petal. And the card the model that is actually on the stock card, she's wearing a color T4 mauve, and it's kind of like a pinkish tone. So for you ladies out there that love your color, this will be the perfect wig for you. That you love your color but you don't want any type of like crazy like curly drastic hair, this is the perfect wig for you. So guys, I absolutely love this wig as an initial review. Since it is synthetic hair, I really do not know how long it will last me, but I'm hoping it lasts me as long as possible. So I'm going to try my best to go ahead and come back to you guys to let you know, maybe like a week update or 2 week updates, just to let you know exactly how long this wig did last. Alright guys, well thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Make sure to share with all your family and friends, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.